Released at last from his straitjacket, Lieutenant General George S. Patton exercises his golden rules of war, speed, simplicity, and boldness to launch an all-out drive on the port city of Palermo in Sicily. On July 9, 1943, the largest naval invasion of World War II to date landed on the Italian island of Sicily. The Western Task Force, commanded by Lieutenant General George S. Patton, was charged with protecting the left flank of the British Army. When the British were held up by stubborn defenses, Patton pressed 15th Army Group Commander General Sir Harold Alexander for his 7th Army to be allowed to attack all out towards Palermo. In 4 days, with infantry riding on tanks, Patton's army covered 100 miles at a cost of only 300 casualties and captured 53,000 prisoners. Palermo surrendered on July 22nd, and Patton entered the city in triumph. Patton wrote on July 23rd, "I believe that this operation will go down in history as a classic example of the proper use of armor. The 2nd Armored Division moved faster against heavier resistance and over worse roads than did the Germans during the famous Blitz."